For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jen and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jen. Today we are going to make an Indianized version of tres leche cake. So let's start making it. Ingredients required are flour, oil, sugar, milk, baking powder, cardamom powder, baking soda and vanilla essence. So we will start making our cake. So for that you will require a weighing scale. I am using Atom A120. You will have to press the on button. So if it gives any other measurements because of the weight of the bowl, you will have to tear it so that it gives you 0 and you can start your recipe. So first we will start making the sponge. Take flour 130 grams. So baking without weighing scale is kind of impossible. So right from start, since the time I am into baking, I have a weighing scale. So please invest on a good weighing scale. Again you will have to tear. Add 2 grams of baking soda, 2 grams of baking powder. So the best part of Atom scale is it weighs from 0.5 grams to 12 kgs. So it does all its job in one scale and you don't have to invest on multiple scales. Another feature of this product is it has maximum units such as ounces, kilograms, grams, cents, teraliter and pounds. Now just mix this. Also sieve it once and then keep it ready. Now we will move on to the wet ingredients. So for that you require milk, that is 138 grams. In that we will add 80 grams sugar. And with the help of a whisk, just whisk it once until the sugar dissolves little. In that we will add 5 grams vanilla essence. Just whisk it again. 90 grams oil and give it a whisk. So here you all can see that baking requires weighing of each and every ingredient. Once this is done, we will add little cardamom powder. So that's around 0.5 grams. Now in parts, we are going to add the dry ingredients. Add it in 3 parts. Side by side, don't forget to preheat your oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to sieve your dry ingredients before you add it in wet ingredients. So this is how we want a very smooth batter without any lumps. Take a rectangular or a square cake tin. You can either line it with a parchment or dust it with oil and flour. I have dusted it with oil and flour. Just to know the final quantity of your batter, we are just going to weigh it again. At times you are making a cake loaf and you want to divide the batter into 2 tins. That's the reason you require a weighing scale, because otherwise both the pans will have different quantity of batter and you don't want that. So this is done. Now this will go in a preheated oven for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Now we will move on to the next step, that is making the sauce. Here we are going to use 3 different kinds of milk. Tres leche means using 3 variety of milk. So traditionally they use evaporated milk, normal milk and heavy cream. So instead of that we are going to use a normal milk, condensed milk and fresh cream. So all 3 we are going to take 60 grams. 60 to 65 grams is good enough. So 60 grams each. So now we will warm the cream and milk mixture. Also, if you all want to use evaporated milk, all you have to do is take double the quantity of milk. For example, take 400 grams of milk and allow it to boil till it reaches 200 grams. So here in India, we don't get evaporated milk easily. That's the reason we are using normal milk. So that's it. Mix this for 2 minutes. So now we will add 60 grams of condensed milk. So now just mix this and we will move on to the next step. I have removed this from the oven. I have baked this for 25 minutes. Now we will demold this. We are not going to wait for it to cool down completely. You all can see it's warm, like I can keep my hands on it completely. Also demold the cake in a bigger plate. Now just with the help of a fork, dock it. So we want the milk to be completely absorbed in the cake. So try to dock it properly so that the sponge soaks all the milk. Put warm milk, the warm mixture which we made, so soak it properly. There are many flavors in Tres Leches cake. It's up to y'all which flavor y'all want to make. I am making a traditional flavor, so we have made the cardamom vanilla sponge. Soak the edges, the corners. So this is done. Now cling wrap this and keep it in the refrigerator for minimum 5 to 6 hours. Otherwise you all can even keep it overnight, because you all want that the sponge absorbs the milk completely. So don't forget to cling wrap it, otherwise your cake will get dry. So after keeping it for 5 to 6 hours in the refrigerator, our cake is out. It is soaked well. Now we are going to Indianize this Spanish cake by applying rabri on it. So you all can check out my recipe for rabri by clicking the I button on the right side of your screen. Just spread it evenly. So that's it. This is done. Now we will garnish it with pistachio, chopped pistachio, and some rose petals. We will keep this in the refrigerator for 2 hours so that the rabri is set. I had refrigerated the cake for half an hour. You'll have to keep it for at least 2 hours. I have kept it for a lesser time because I want to show you all the texture from inside. Our Tres Leches cake is ready. Our Tres Leches cake is ready. I hope you like this recipe. This video is sponsored by Atom Scale. If you wish to buy any of their amazing products, the link is given in the description below.